Alright, we are working some calculus problems here at gotomath.com, and we're looking at, under the section of limits, we're looking at continuity and one-sided limits, and we're in this section right here. So what we got is a piecewise function, and traditionally, this is not how it's written, but you get the idea. We've got the limit as x approaches 7 from the left-hand side of s of x. So we want to figure out how to determine what this limit is. And let's clear that. And it looks like we're going to have to do a little something here. Okay, that was a little something extra that I didn't expect. Alright, we've got the, what have we got? We got the limit. We got too much going on here. Let me make sure I wrote this down right. Okay, we're going to 7 from the left. Got it. We got it. Now this is traditionally how we'd write a piecewise function, right? Big curly bracket. We got 4x plus 2, and its domain is x is greater than 7, and then 9x plus 6, and its domain is less than or equal to 7, and we're looking for the limit as x approaches 7 from the left. And I think what we're going to do here is just kind of look at a picture, help us out on this. So we got 7. Let's go ahead and plot that. And we're coming in from the left hand side, so we're coming in from this direction. Okay, so that means that we're going to be looking at this one, because this says all x values less than or equal to 7, and I'm just going to go ahead and write it. This is what we're trying to find, 9x plus 6. Alright, so we could do the direct substitution because 7 is in the domain, and we'd end up having 9 times 7 plus 6. Okay, but let's just kind of look at this here real quick. What is that, 63, 69? Is that right, 69? And so this is not going to be the scale, not even by a long shot. Alright, and then if we were to plug 7 into that, we get 28, 29, 30. Whoops, this is actually 69, and I guess we'll say that's 30 there. Of course, we got an open circle because we don't include 7 in this, but and we'll say that it's something like that. Alright, okay, so if we were coming in from this direction, in other words, if the limit as x approaches 7 from the plus side, we would be using the top part, 4x plus 2, and we would end up getting 30. And of course, you know, you'd have to plug in numbers getting really close to 7 to see what this guy is actually approaching there. Okay, and we can say that it's not continuous at 7 because we've got a non-removable discontinuity here. And let's see if I actually did that arithmetic in my head correctly. What was that? Did I say 69? Yeah. So there it is. Alright, coming in from the left, we're going to use this guy right here. Okay.